Yes, sir. We back. One Stop Drift Shop unboxing in the bando. You know it's always something heavy. You know it's always something nice. That's why y'all stop by, man. But before we get started, yo, like, comment, share. You know what I mean? Fuck with a nigga. Support a nigga. Bringing this new shit to y'all. You know I'm rocking. If y'all get it, yes, sir. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh, my Balenciaga tag. Yo, Balenciaga just showed me a shirt with no fucking tag on it, bro. You believe this shit? It's the RIP DMX shirt with no tag. You gotta be kidding me, man. Just so y'all know it's authentic, man. Wow. This is crazy. Balenciaga, how y'all coming, man? How's y'all coming, bro? This bad work, bro. This bad work, y'all. You hear me? This bad work, man. Look at this shit here. Look at this. I'm guessing it's the detail they wanted, but Balenciaga, bro. You dead ass, man. First of all, RIP DMX. Let's start off with that. RIP X, man. I don't even want to get too disrespectful. Like, RIP X, you know what I'm saying? What type of, but Balenciaga, what type of games are being played and how's it going down? Like, yo, what's up, man? I couldn't get a tag on this shit. Like, I really couldn't get a tag, bro. This is crazy. I hope y'all put something on the back, man. I hope it's, oh, copy. Nothing on the back neither, copy. Alright, man. We about to end this video short, bro. Like, cause it's an X t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's an X long sleeve tee. I'm gonna give this shit a fucking 5. Cause it's the, matter of fact, pardon me, man. I'm slurring, I'm tight right now. My words is all crazy. I'm gonna give this shit. Yeah, I'm gonna give it 2. It would have got a 5. You feel what I'm saying? Off top, it would have got a 5. You dig? But since this is a DMX tribute tee, you feel what I'm saying? You know I fuck with X. Since it's an XT, I'm gonna give this shit a 7. It's getting 2 more points because of DMX. You feel what I'm saying? It's getting 2 extra points because of X. Other than that, this shit would be a 4.5. You feel me? 4.5. Balenciaga do, matter of fact, Kanye West do better. Balenciaga do better. I need y'all to collab together to do better. Like, what the fuck is going on, man? Don't put no shit out like this again, man. Don't put no shit out like this again. I don't ever want to grade some shit like this again, man. You feel what I'm saying? And if somebody pass away, don't do this shit to them again, man. You feel what I'm saying? RIP X, rest easy, gang. I apologize for this shit. I don't know what's up with Balenciaga. I don't know what's up with Yeezy. But them boys got to get it together. One Stop Drip Shop unboxing in the bando, man. Play ahead to stay ahead. I'm sorry I had to bring this one to y'all, man. This shit is bad, y'all. This shit is bad, man. Let me show y'all the sleeves, as a matter of fact. Y'all come in for details, right? Fuck it, man. Let me see what's up with the sleeves, man. What's this, man? 2020, I guess that's the day he passed away. Long live X, man. Yeah, but Balenciaga went outside, y'all. You heard? They went outside. And his born day on the other sleeve, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but yo, I'm boxing in the bando, One Stop Drift Shop. Hefe, we out this shit. I don't remember what I be saying at the end no more. But y'all know how we rockin', man. Play ahead to stay ahead. I'm boxing in the bando. Like, comment, share. Fuck with a real nigga. You want more of this shit, man. We up out here. Balenciaga, do better, bro. Do better, man.